Welcome all of you in Complete Python course. Today we will learn in this video. What is Python? When and who did develop Python? Why you should learn Python? What you will learn in this course. Let's start this course. First we will see what is Python. Python is a programming language that combines the features of C and Java. When the programmers want to go for object orientation, Python offer class and objects like Java. When and who did develop Python? Python was developed by Guido van Rossum in the year 1991 at the Center of Mathematics and Computer Science. Managed by the Dutch government. Python first working version was ready by early 1990 and van Rossum released it for the public on February 20, 1991. Why you should learn Python? Python is a simple programming language. When we read a Python program, we feel like reading English sentences. It means more clarity and less stress on understanding the syntax of the language. Python uses very few keywords. Its programs use very simple structure. So developing programs in Python become easy. Python is open source programming language. There is no need to pay for Python software. Python is high-level programming language. Programming language are of two types, low-level and high-level. A low-level language uses machine code instructions to develop programs. These instructions directly interact with CPU. Machine language and assembly language are called low-level languages. High-level language use English word to develop programs. These are easy to learn and use. Like PHP, Python also uses English words in its program and hence it is called high-level programming language. Python is platform-independent programming language. When a Python program is compiled using a Python compiler, it generates bytecode. Python bytecode represents a fixed set of instructions that run on all operating system and hardware. Using a Python virtual machine, PVM, anybody can run these bytecode instructions on any computer system like Unix, Linux, Windows. What you will learn in this course. I have divided the syllabus into 25 chapters as given below. Thanks for watching this video.